The balancing calculator. Single plane correction mass determines the exact weight and angular position needed to correct rotor imbalance in a single correction plane. Let's walk through each input field. First, enter your original vibration amplitude in miles or micrometers. Next, input the original vibration phase in degrees. Then specify your trial mass weight in grams or ounces. Enter the trial mass angular position in degrees where you place this trial weight. Record the resulting trial mass vibration amplitude in mils or micrometers. Finally, input the trial mass vibration phase in degrees after adding the trial mass. Click Calculate Correction Mass to process your data. The calculator uses vector mathematics to determine the influence coefficient from your trial run, then calculates the precise correction mass needed. The results display the required correction mass weight and its exact angular position relative to your reference mark. This tells you exactly how much weight to add and where to place it on your rotor to minimize vibration to acceptable levels. This single plane method works best for disc-shaped rotors or when the imbalance is concentrated in one correction plane. Find the link in the description below.